Hey guys, we wanted to get on and share the super fun kids RC stunt car with you. This is so much fun. We absolutely love these around here. So this one's extremely fun because it has this little piece here that you go ahead and put some water in. So it comes with this little piece here. You just put your water in it, and then this one has steam so that it'll like come out of the lights. So it gives it that super fun effect, special effects with this one. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And this can be run by this little handheld wrist finger remote. So you can see as I move it, it will go or stop. So that's super fun. Or if I turn off this remote, it also has a handheld remote. So we'll go ahead and put these on my little boy, go outside and show you how much fun this little stunt car is.
Fading, leaves are changing. Summer's gone, but we're still dancing. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Sweater weather, chill together. Pumpkin spice on every corner. Ooh yeah. Bonfire nights, starry lights. Hey, hey. Crunching leaves, moon so bright. Come on, cozy blanket.